Hey guys, I hope you had a great afternoon. We are going to take notes on the Pythagorean Theorem. You need to make sure that you are writing these notes in your composition book and you come to class tomorrow prepared to do some problems. Okay? So we are going to label them for today. And it's the Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, well the Pythagorean Theorem says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And it's very important, this theorem only works with right triangles. And we know what a right triangle is. It's a triangle that has one right angle. Okay, well I'm going to draw a right triangle. Now y'all know I can't draw, so I'm going to put this box in the corner to denote that that is a right angle. Okay, we're going to label this. We have three sides. These two shorter sides are going to be A and B. And you can interchange them. This is A, this is B, or it could be the reverse. This could be B, this could be A. That doesn't matter. But the one that does matter is C. C is always across from the right angle. And very important, it's the longest side. And it is called the hypotenuse. That's an H. And I'm running out of room. So let me go up here. Hypotenuse. Okay. Now, A and B, which are our shorter sides, are called legs. And you may want to write shorter sides. Well, there's lots that we can do with the Pythagorean Theorem, but we're going to start out with baby steps. Okay, first, what we're going to focus on today is I want to determine if the following measures could make a right triangle. Okay, so I have the measures 3 meters, 7 meters, and 2 meters. And I want to know if I can take those lengths, piece them together in order to make a right triangle where there's no gaps and no overlapping. Okay, well, what do I know? I've got 3 measures, and I've got in my formula A, B, and C. Well, I know something important about A, B, and C. I know C is always my longest length, and A and B are my shorter. Okay, so with that said, which one is your longest length? 7. So that has to be on this side, and then I square it, leaving 3 and 2 as A and B. And again, it doesn't matter which one's which. Now I'm putting a question mark because I want to make sure, I want to see, does my left side equal my right side? And if it does, then yes, it would make a triangle. So let's do order of operations and figure it out. 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, question mark, 7 squared is 49. Well, 9 plus 4 is 13. Does 13 equal 49? No, it does not. So no, not a right triangle. Which means if I took pieces of paper that were those lengths, I could not piece it together to make a 90-degree angle and have the sides connecting and touching. Okay? Now remember, you can pause this at any time and rewind if you're missing something. Okay, B. Well, I'm going to abbreviate here, and I'm just going to say I have 10 meters, 8 meters, and 6 meters. And I want to know if that can give me a right triangle, or if that creates a right triangle. Remember, our formula is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay, our longest side is 10, which is our C. And then A and B, it doesn't matter. Okay, well, order of operations, 8 squared is 64, 6 squared is 36, and 10 squared is 100. Well, what's 64 and 36? 100. And does 100 equal 100? Yes, it does. So yes, actually it can be, it is a right triangle. And let's do one more. $17 meters, 8 meters, and 15 meters. Again, our formula is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay? C is always our longest side, which is 17. And then this can be either way. Well, order of operations again, 8 squared is 64, 15 squared is 225, and I forgot, oh, not there. And then 17 squared, which you should have memorized, is 289. Add these together. And yes, 289 equals 289. So yes, it is a right triangle. Okay, I want you to try these now. I would like for you to try those 4. Make sure you put this in your composition book and you come to class tomorrow ready to do an activity and show me that you have mastered this concept. Hope you guys have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.